In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Wix website. This is a quick, reliable way to share documents like brochures, menus, guides, or forms with your visitors, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. Start in the Wix editor with the page open where you want the download to appear. Look to the top left corner of the editor for the plus icon, which opens the Add panel. Give it a click. This is your central place for adding content to your site, from text and images to media and more. Inside the Add panel, go to Media, then select My Uploads. This is where all of your previously uploaded files live, and it's also where you'll bring in new ones. If you haven't uploaded your PDF yet, no problem. You're in the right spot. Now, click the Upload icon. A file picker will open on your computer. Navigate to the PDF you want to share. As a quick tip, it helps if your file is clearly named and saved in its final form, so visitors know exactly what they're downloading. Select the PDF and confirm. You'll see it start to upload, and once it finishes, it will appear in your Uploads library. If your file is large, give it a moment to process. With the PDF uploaded, simply select it from your Uploads. Wix will automatically create a Download PDF button on your page and link it to that file. This button gives your visitors a clear, straightforward way to access the document. Depending on their browser settings, the PDF may download directly or open in a new tab, but either way, the button is now doing the work for you. From here, you can adjust the button to fit your page. Click and drag to move it into the perfect spot, perhaps near related content or in a section where it's easy to notice. Use the sizing handles to make it larger or smaller so it matches your layout. Align it with other elements for a clean, professional look, and be mindful of spacing so the page stays easy to scan. If your design is more minimal, keep it small and subtle. If you want to draw attention, make it more prominent. The goal is a button that feels consistent with your page and easy for visitors to find and use. And that's all. You've added a PDF to your Wix site, created a clear download button, and positioned it to fit seamlessly into your design. Simple, effective, and ready for your audience.